Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a bathroom deep clean. I'm going to be deep cleaning my ensuite as well as my main bathroom to give you lots of deep cleaning motivation today. Do be sure to subscribe if you haven't already for weekly motivation. Leave this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you're going to be cleaning along with me today, and let's just jump straight into it. I'm starting off in my ensuite today, and the first thing I do whenever I'm doing a good deep clean is completely empty out the room. I think it's so much easier to do a deep clean when you're working with a blank canvas. So once it's all cleared out, then I can go around and wipe everything down and give everything a good clean. So I'm still using the eucalyptus mint scent in the method spray at the moment. I think it smells beautiful. It leaves the whole bathroom smelling super fresh and just so clean. But I think once I've finished using this one, I am going to give different products a go because I've been stuck on method for so long now. So do let me know down in the comments what you use in your bathrooms, and let me know any products that you could recommend.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending.
I've tried to get in the habit of putting everything back as I go along, so I haven't got the whole thing to do at the end. So once I've wiped down the shelf and the windowsill, I'm going to go ahead and put everything back and just try and lay it out as neat as possible, because we don't have any storage in here, which is an absolute nightmare. But I'm just going to get everything put back in, and then I'm going to go ahead and deep clean the shower. So whenever I'm giving the showers a good deep clean, I always use the washing up liquid and the white vinegar spray mix. I think it works beautifully. It's just so satisfying scrubbing it on the shower door as well. I don't know why I enjoy doing that, I just do, but it just makes everything sparkly clean. And today I'm using the lemon scent in the fairy washing up liquid, so the whole room smells of lemons and it's just so fresh. So I definitely do recommend you use washing up liquid and white vinegar whenever you're doing a good deep clean.
It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go. Go, yeah. So I can focus. I just need a focus.
So I always leave it on for at least 5 to 10 minutes to work its magic. So during that time, I'm just going to quickly wipe over the mirror with the Method Gloss Spray in the scent Mint. Again, it smells insane. I really wish you could smell the bathroom through the camera because it's so gorgeous. It just smells so fresh. So I'm now just going to rinse off the shower and then spray over it with the Method Shower Spray. That just keeps it fresher for longer. I never realised how much this bathroom needs cleaning until I've cleaned it, but I definitely need to do this more often because I always leave it way too long and it gets way too gross, and it feels amazing when it's all clean and fresh. So I'm definitely going to try and keep on top of this a little bit more, but I'm just going to go ahead and put everything back so I can then mop the floor and move on to the main bathroom. So I'm now in the main bathroom and I'm going to do the same thing again and just empty out everything. So I've got a blank canvas to work with, so it's so much easier to give it a deep clean, and it's also a lot easier to see what bottles need to be kept and what are empty and can be chucked out, because I do accumulate so many empty bottles and things that I really don't need to hang on to. So I'm just going to clear everything out so I can see what I've got and I'm able to give it a much better clean. I'm using the same mix of washing up liquid and white vinegar on this shower screen as well, because it has been a little while since I've given them a good scrub. I've just been using the Method shower spray on them and I haven't actually given them a good scrub in quite a while. So I'm going to go ahead and coat that on and then just use normal wipes on the outside of it just to get rid of any fingerprints and smears. But yeah, this stuff works wonders, so I definitely do recommend you use this mix if you're doing a deep clean. It's so satisfying putting it on and rinsing it off as well, so I really enjoy doing it. And I'm just going to spray over the bath with the Method bathroom spray just to freshen it up. It's not too bad, but it does have a few shampoo smears and conditioner marks, so I just need to get rid of those and just make it all nice and shiny.
dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
So once I've done that, I'm going to move on to the rest of the room and just give everything a good wipe over. I don't know why I leave the bathrooms so long, because it's so quick and easy to do once I've got it all emptied out. It literally can take me 5-10 minutes just to go round and give everything a good wipe over. So I do definitely need to add this in to my weekly or every other day cleaning routine, because sometimes it can be left for a few weeks without being touched and it's really bad. So I do need to get on top of it and do it a little bit more, and I just need to remember that it really doesn't take as long as I think it's going to.
I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving.
Don't forget to go over and give me a follow on Instagram as well. I'm active over there every single day, giving you instant motivation as well as behind the scenes of my YouTube videos. I also let you know when all of my bonus videos are going to be coming on YouTube, so do make sure you follow me over there if you want to keep up to date with what I'm going to be posting and what days and times I'm going to be posting, because over the next few months I am going to be posting a lot more often than I have been. There's going to be lots of bonus videos coming, and throughout December I am going to be trying to post every single day, or at least every other day. So do make sure that you follow me over on Instagram so you can find out exactly when and what time I'm going to be posting.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow.
I really hope you've enjoyed today's bathroom deep clean. If you have, and if it's given you the motivation that you came looking for today, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. I'm going to go ahead and leave another video up on the screen here so you can get even more motivation today, and I'll see you back here in the next one.
Just watch me.